If you can tell, I can definitely, I appreciate this one more. You can see the hair is locking up differently. I don't know how much you can see the difference, you know, from the sponge side to this tool. But I can see the big difference there on how the hair is locking. And to be fair, I'm going to spend a little bit more time with the sponge. Let's see what happens. Both tools are working well. I'm doing light pressure now. Just trying to extend the curls up. I will say around the edges, around the ears, this product feels a lot better versus hard plastic hitting your ears. So right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to pull back against the grain as I do my circles to allow the hair to stand up more. So when I do my circle, pull back more than I'm pulling forward. Alright, so that's pretty much done with the styling. So what I'm going to do now is just apply a little bit of oil so I get a little shine for the rest of the day and kind of lock things into place. So I have my 11 herbs and oil, Chalises Heavenly Inspired 11 herbs and oil, just mixed with a little water here. And I'm just going to apply that, just spraying that on. Maybe some more. There we go. Just spraying that on. That's just going to get down to the scalp as well and keep that moisturized. But when this dries, it's going to tighten up, of course, as the hair dries. The coil will tighten up, leave the shine behind as well to get through the day. Do a little finishing touches on the edges. Alright, so signing off, Chalises Heavenly Inspired products. Don't leave your hair in one style too long and get bored. Play with your hair, enjoy your hair, and keep it healthy. Alright, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and visit the site.